Hyundai's available touchscreen navigation system is extremely easy to use. It uses a touchscreen for display and in-depth tasks, with capacitive touch sensing buttons along the bottom for other tasks. Simply pressing these touch buttons will make a selection without any button to actually move. Going from left to right, you will first find the power button. Pressing this will turn on or off the radio or media being played. Pressing and holding it will turn off the radio or media being played and turn the screen off as well. Simply press it again to turn these features back on. The volume up and down buttons will allow you to adjust the system volume, except for navigation sounds. You can also control the system volume with the steering wheel volume control switch. The map button lets you show your current location on the navigation map with the press of a button. When in guidance mode on the navigation screen, pressing the map button will repeat the most recent voice guidance. Pressing the navigation button will bring up the navigation route screen on the touchscreen. Pressing and holding the navigation button will display the Places screen, where you can search for and choose a destination. Pressing the Custom button will bring up a frequently used function that you can define. To define this function, press and hold the Custom button to bring up the Custom button settings screen. Select the desired function for the Custom button. Now when you press the Custom button, the selected function will be accessed. The Custom button on the steering wheel serves the same purpose. It can be programmed to bring up the same function, or a different function. The Seek, Track, Right and Left buttons serve different purposes, depending on the audio source. When listening to AM or FM radio, pressing the right or left buttons will move to the next station with reception. Pressing and holding the right or left buttons will tune the frequency manually until you release the button. When listening to satellite radio, pressing the right or left buttons will move to numerically higher or lower stations. When listening to media sources, pressing the right or left buttons will skip to the next track, or start a track over, or go to a previous track. When listening to media sources other than Bluetooth, pressing and holding the right or left buttons will fast forward or rewind. You can also use the switch on the steering wheel to control these as well. Pressing up corresponds to the left button, and pressing down corresponds to the right button. Press radio to switch the entertainment source to radio. Press it multiple times to switch radio sources from AM, FM, and if equipped, satellite radio. Pressing and holding the button brings up the radio media selection window on the touchscreen. Press Media to bring up the radio media selection window on the touchscreen. The last button is the Setup button. Press this to access vehicle settings, advanced features, and other items. You can set the vehicle to provide feedback when you press the touch buttons. To do so, select Setup, then Sound. At the top of the screen, press the Beep button to turn on or off the beep feedback feature. For more helpful information on your Hyundai, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Hyundai USA YouTube channel and myhyundai.com.